and in this video we want to talk about orange. This right here, an orange. So I want to, first of all, orange is called Machunga. Machunga, orange. Machunga. Machunga, like that, okay? Machunga. This is an orange, translates to and machunga. And machunga. This is an orange. So I have different things I want to do with the orange so that you just learn by doing. And the first thing is, this is the back of the orange. Back of the orange is called pot machunga. Back of the orange is called pot machunga. And pot machunga. Let me just write it here. This is the back of the orange. And pot machunga. And pot machunga. This is the back of the orange. And pot machunga. And pot machunga. Okay. So the other thing I want to talk about is peeling. See, like right now I'm peeling it. That peeling orange. And you're peeling it like this. I'm peeling the orange. Peeling is poko. So apoko machunga. Apoko machunga. I am peeling orange. Apoko machunga. Apoko machunga. Poko. So poko. Peeling is poko. I am peeling the orange. I am peeling the orange. Apoko machunga. Of course, if someone else peeling the orange comes poko machunga. That is if someone else is peeling the orange, okay? Poko machunga. He is peeling, she is peeling the orange. Poko machunga. That is the act of peeling. And remember we said that these ones here, back, is called pot machunga, not pot. Pot machunga. Pot machunga. Okay? Now, the next thing I want to do is if you have a knife and you want to, instead of peeling, you want to cut it, cut is ngado. Cut is ngado. Ngado is a difficult word because of the tonation. Ngado. 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 I am cutting the orange. So, angado machunga. Angado machunga. Angado machunga. Angado machunga. I'm cutting the orange. Now, if you're not cutting, but you see like what I want to do right now, I want to still I'm peeling it, okay? Remember peeling. Do you remember what we said about peeling? Do you remember? Yes. Said poko. You're a good student. So, apoko machunga. Now, if you do it like this, see, if you do it like this, instead of cutting with a knife, but you do that. See that? Abaro. That is baro. Abaro machunga, okay? That is baro machunga. Barro. Barro. So what is barro in oh no, write it here. Barro. So barro is separating. Separating. Abaro e nyathi machunga. I'm separating the orange into its small sizes. I'm not using a knife, but I'm using my hands to separate. That is abaro machunga. That is baro machunga. When you're using your hand to separate like that. But if you're removing this, you say a poco. A poco. Okay? Does that make sense? Good. A poco. A baro. Now it is. Achamo. So eat is chamo. Achamo. I am eating an orange. Achamo machunga. I'm eating an orange. Achamo machunga. Achamo machunga. I'm eating an orange. Okay? Now, other things that we can talk about orange is orange juice. Orange juice is P machunga. Orange juice is P machunga. That roughly translates to the water of the machunga. Orange juice, P machunga. If it's a nice, sweet orange, you say machunga meat. Machunga meat. A sweet orange, okay? So sweet, you say machunga ma meat. Machunga ma meat. Machunga ma meat. That's a very sweet orange, like this one. Mindy ma machunga ma meat. This is a very sweet orange, okay? But if you get a bad one, like a very sour orange. So, is it so or sour? So the word is watch. Not watch, but watch. Okay? Sour orange. That's if you get one that wasn't ready. It's almost ready, but it's not ready. Ma and machunga ma watch. Ma and machunga ma watch. So that is a very sour orange. It's bitter tasting, but it's still an orange. I hope that this video has taught you everything you need to know about an orange. Now, if you want to get in touch with us, please, you can always get to our DMs, write a message on this video, and we shall act on the message. I hope you had a great time with us, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Mary Katerega. Watch is sour. Sour is pronounced sour. 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 Ah, sour. Thank you, Mary. Sour. It said sour. Oh, sour. Thank you, Mary. Thank you, Mary, so much. I hope you learned something about the Machunga.